I'm going to finish filling the jars and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so I have filled, let's see, 6, 7, 8 jars, which will go on the bottom of my canner. I'm just going to debubble and see if I have to take any out. I want these to be an inch headspace. That one looks a little bit full. I'm going to take some beans out of this one as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and debubble these. I've got vinegar on my paper towel, and I'm going to, when I'm done, I'm going to do this again because I'm going to take some out. I'm just going to wipe along the rim of the jar, making sure that there are no chips or cracks in the rim. Otherwise, these are not going to seal and all my work is going to be lost. Okay, so for this canning, now I want to show you guys, oops, it just opened. I am now a 4 jars affiliate. So I have already tried these on some pinto beans and a couple of soups that I've made. I have not had one lid failure, and I've done about 20 jars. So I want to share these with you. I'm going to have an affiliate code for a discount of 10% for you guys and a link where you can go and buy them. These are amazing, amazing lids. I am very, very happy with these. They are good quality lids. Like I said, I have tried these. Just look at that. The silicone on here is amazing. The adhesive, oh my goodness, you guys. And the thickness of the jars are great. These are bubble top lids.